Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today is a part 2 because I'm going to show you how I finish up my curly rod sets. And I took out all of these already from the rollers. But I'm going to do these and then I'm going to tell you the next steps after this, okay? So, here we go. I love these gray rollers because I feel like with these gray ones, these gray curly rods, since you can spread them so easily, since they're so long, they usually give you almost like a guarantee that that hair is going to be dry, you know? As opposed to the other ones, because you're tucking in so much hair in a little roller, like it might be a little like wet in certain areas, and that's what you don't want. You want it to be as dry as possible, you know? So there you go. Taking it out is easy, right? Okay, so before I start unraveling, you already know my system. I put some oil, the one I've been hooked on in all these videos. Yes, I put some oils. Yes, gotta protect the hair. Okay, oil on this side. It smells fresh and good. Okay. In the back. Okay. The scalp gotta be moisturized. Okay. So here it goes. Here's how it looks so far, right? I want you to see it. The baby hairs are not done, but look at how healthy it looks. Look how healthy. Let me give you a little. Okay, right? Okay, I hope you got a nice, good look. So it looks beautiful so far, right? But depending on your choice, of course, let me put this over here. Depending on your choice is how you're gonna unravel your curls. Like whatever you wanna do, you know what I mean? Because I like to put them a little smaller, you know? Oh, wait a minute. Wait. I'm doing something wrong. And that is, whatever you're not working with right now, put it away. I only got one scrunchie. Okay, hold on. Let me. Okie dokie. Put it away. Because it's a distraction, you know what I mean? So put it away first. That's what I usually do, but I almost forgot. But of course, because everything felt cluttered, I remembered. Okay, so you see, break it up, girl, into like 3. You can do mainly like 3, right? And you see how it goes back to the curl. Okay, what's here? What's this surprise? Okay, a little knot come out of my hand. Okay, so right here, let me see. I did this one already, right? Okay. And then this one right here is not done. Okay. Sometimes you could do it in 3. Sometimes you could do it in 4. Depending on, right? On the size of the curl. Break this up again. And the more you could leave it to dry, the better. So you could secure it to see if like it's really dry. Right now, to be honest, it's not fully dry. And I really thought it was. But it tricked me. Because what I do to like test it out is like go through the rollers, you know, and check like the scalp and all of that. But like I said, my hair is so thick and everything that it takes so long to dry. But for the most part, you can't even tell. You can't tell at all, actually, that it's not even fully dry. You probably think I'm dramatic right now. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with this side. Okay, right here. You see the difference? Okay, good. You know, I like showing differences. Okay, you see the difference in when you break it up and when you leave it whole? Whole? Okay, so whole. Whole. When you break it up and you leave it whole. I wonder if it sounds like I'm saying the W, whole. My pronunciation sometimes. The accent be coming out. Okay, so just break it up into like 3 pieces. Each curl you get right here. Okay, this one was only like 2. Let me do this one. Okay, what about this one? No, this one looks kind of big. Okay, and then this right here. Okay, right here. Okie dokie. So this is it so far, right? And then let me do the other side. Look at how beautiful it looks already, people. Sorry, I got excited. I should break this one down one more time, even though it's like a beautiful curl. Okay, right here. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. So make sure that there's no big ones when you look in the mirror. Like, I don't like for the curls to be too big. I like it for it to be like a perfect size, you know, like juicy, but not too big. Okay. So, I don't want to make this video too long. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably put like, do my baby hairs in, out of camera, you know, because usually like when I do my baby hairs and I use this, I put it on for a couple of minutes, like minimum 15, minimum. So I don't want y'all waiting that long. I don't want y'all waiting that long. So yeah, I'll definitely, of course, do it like out of the camera. I hope you're seeing how these products are so good to my hair. Like the products that I showed you earlier that I use for the perfect curl rod set. This is why I feel strong about those products, okay? Now you see why. Now you see why. And I am so happy that I get to share why. Once something works in your natural hair, it's like you feel like you have an automatic attachment to that thing. Because it's like, thank you. Just thank you. Thank you for loving me. You know what I mean? I got a joke with my family. Love me, love me, love me. Okay. Being silly, being silly. But yeah, those products definitely love me. They love me. Let me stretch that. Okay, so I'm done with this side and I'm being silly. I'm being silly, you know? But here you go. Let me show you this side that I just finished. Okay? So, let me go to the last side. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so this one is extra big. I definitely had a gray roller on this. Ooh, this is, okay. But you see, with the gray roller, it dried good. Okay. This one is a little wet. Oh, I feel like you could tell with that one that it came out a little wet. Okay. And then Okay, let me see this one. Okie dokie. Okay, so then let me tell y'all something. Then what you could do is, wow. Okay. Okay, yeah, see? Okay. So what you could do is after is remember I don't have a hair pick, right? That's what it's called. So what I do is, let me show you what I do. Like just pull it up. Okay. Okay. You see how that makes a difference to like volume and everything? Everything. Okay, so this is the volume. This is the volume to this. La, 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 la. Sorry, I love doing that. Okay, so let me show you how it looks. 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 Okay, beautiful, 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 right? So I'm going to come back, you guys. I'm going to come back with my baby hairs done. And I'm not even sure, since I have so much hair in the front, if you're going to be able to tell that I did my baby hairs. But I'm definitely going to come back, okay? I'm going to come back. No worries, no worries. I hope you like it so far. I hope you like it so far. Hey, hey, hey. So for the final step of this video is to show you the baby hairs. So here we go. And so you could check out this band as well, you know, because for me and my experience, like it keeps it like stiff, as in like you feel like it's not gonna go anywhere after you use this. So my baby hairs were not the best in this journey, but my sister-in-law giving me this, it made it such a better experience. So let's see. Okay. Okay, let me see. So it might have some makeup, but here you go for the most part. Yeah. So I didn't leave it as long as I usually will. Because I wanted to finish the video. I was excited about that. So I didn't leave it as usual, but you can already see what I can you can already see. Let me see the angle. Yeah, right here. You could see like that it helps it shape and stay still, right? Just based on what I showed you. Okay, you can see it here. So usually I leave it for like 15. This looks so cute. Ooh, I should do 2 ponytails one day. So you can see already what I'm talking about. Like it helps you like define and, you know, do all that. So I left it because I wanted to finish this video. I left it like for 5 minutes. I usually leave it like for 10 or 15, okay? Around there, depending on your schedule, right? So that's why I give like a range like that. Okay, so I'm glad you saw what it does. And so these are the final results. These are the final results, people. I hope you liked it. I hope you got motivation from it. And I hope you'll try it. So here you go. Look at it, a close-up, a close-up. Look how juicy the curls look. So, so beautiful. So beautiful. I love it, 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 I love it. It gives it that bounce, those voluminous, beautiful curls. So try it, try it, try it. And I'll definitely leave the link of the curly rod sets, the edge control band, um, yeah, and everything else that I use to accomplish this look is gonna be in the description box below. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Share and subscribe. I'll appreciate that. See you next time. Thank you for joining me. Bye.